Around the United States, people are enjoying a dramatic drop in the cost of fuel. The average cost of a gallon at the pump is about $2.17. Oil prices have fallen by more than half since last June, when a barrel cost about $110. OPEC, the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, says it will not cut oil production, even if that means prices continue to drop. Some observers argue OPEC's strategy is to squeeze the U.S. out of the market with an oversupply of oil.
They're hurting themselves now, taking lower oil prices than they've seen since the mid-2000s, and in exchange what they're trying to do is ensure that the prices will stay higher in the long run. So US shale oil has become an increasing competitor to OPEC, and they're hoping that if they can keep the price low for a few years, they can drive a lot of these producers out of business.
U.S. lawmakers are currently debating a bill that would allow for the construction of the controversial Keystone Pipeline that would run from Canada to the Gulf of Mexico. President Obama has threatened to veto any bill that gets to his desk. If the pipeline is ever completed, the U.S. could deliver more than 800,000 barrels of oil each day. In the meantime, fracking is changing the industry. The process involves extracting oil and gas from underground deposits. Oil production from fracking has increased from 5.6 million barrels a day in 2010 to 9.3 million. At a recent conference in Washington, D.C., energy officials said the future of the industry is promising.
The fundamentals are we will be number one in oil production in the world. During this new era, our nation has not only set production and refining records, which have created 600,000 new jobs, but has also added significantly to the global energy supply, which has led to reduced prices now benefiting all consumers.
But fracking is expensive. Companies say they need prices between $60 and $100 per barrel of oil to break even. As world prices continue to drop, the fracking sector begins to face uncertainty as the industry might prove to be unsustainable, putting many here in the U.S. out of a job. Andrea, CCTV, Washington.